Hey K2A, another science lesson for you. This plant is called forsythia, and it grows in many different parts of the world, and it has many different practical uses in addition to being a marvelous addition to a lot of gardens. Don't you think it's pretty? I love the color yellow in flowers. Miss you so much. Hey K2A, it's time for some science. This is a rhododendron bush. There are lots of different kinds of rhododendrons, and I look forward to showing you all the different ones I see. If you look closely, you might be able to see some very busy pollinators. Cool, huh? And they go all the way. And they can grow up to, I've seen them up to 30 feet high. So that's 6 Miss Grays high. These trees can grow. They're beautiful and they have marvelous flowers. I hope you think so too.